What's up, my people? Welcome back to the channel. So I have some things I'm gonna share with you guys. So my people, we have Annie and Ivany kick off wicked. Ivany even join Yankee to the live when she and Annie are cause one piece of something Annie have to jump. See, we also have Annie diss up the Lion Man. You see me, I say so Ivany and the Lion Man kick off yesterday. Today she and Annie. You see me? So we are gonna get in at that, my people. We also have Jabba's and the Lion Man discuss Jabba's falling out with Shay. You see me, and it's like the Lion Man feels some type of way that Shay and Ivany are linked back. You see me, I say? So them are like you that say the Lion Man I wish bad him want Ivany a chip for this Shay for Shay sister Ivany and a good somebody, right? And we also have more things with people, and maybe we'll add more things as we go on, so make we get in it.
Like some big girls will look like them take care of themselves. She don't look like she take care of herself. She skin out herself last night. Last night the girl can't close her legs. The legs them, the knee them are rub. The knee them are rub. Them are just look nice, so. Them again sit through. She have the little sit through, so. So when she have on her little shorts last night, you can't see the little space in between her leg. So her pum pum get ear. Big up Diana. Big up you, galley. Big up. You know, say me rep the woman them 40s and above. Because me a 47. Me rep the woman them 40s and above. I uno me rep for. Because them love say, oh, we all looking and we done and all that. Bring up, big up yourself, sister girl. Big up the girl them, big up the woman them 40s and above. Me want to post, because I love on the post on the picture them, you know. Because me under the comment section them. Yes, me want to see them. Big up on the 40s and above. Diamond, big up you. No make the girl make you feel insecure about yourself. Me hear the way the woman them a say about you, but no make the girl make you feel insecure about yourself. No make them tell you say you can't wear what you want to wear. Put on the clothes. Sherry, you're 59, la, look good, girlie. Good girl, yes, 59. Look nice. The woman them look nice over here. Yeah, but all and the young boy them are dead. I be a young boy when I with DM, so be careful with the young boy them, guys. Be careful. Yeah, Brina, you look nice. When I say nothing about you, Brina, come. I'm your sister girl. I just say, sister girl, you look nice for your 30s, so you're different. And even you as a thick girl, you're thick girl and sexy. My girl, Brina. You say you have to put on your clothes. The girl them in them 30s now put on a good clothes. Charlene, big up yourself, good morning, queen. Them now put on a good clothes. The girl them in them 30s now dress. The girl them in them 20s now look nice no more. The girl them in them 30s and 20s now put on a sexy clothes. Them just let themselves go because them younger. The girl them in them 40s and 50s now put on them good. The girl them look nice out here. The girl them in them 40s and 50s, them a wear them good perfume, them a wash them pum pum good, them know how to scrub, them a put them nose earring in, them a put them tip piercing, put on a pierce. Girl them a look nice with the nice tattoo look on them chrome skin. Big up the girl them, big up the big woman them, and them me say, and them me a rep for. And look me a rep for the big woman them. And the big woman them we are rep for today.
Miss J, listen to me. Come
yes,
mama.
Talk,
you know.
You know your 30s, but go for yourself. Go for yourself. So when I come up here, boy, you know your 30s. We're not calling your name over here. Not calling on name over here. Where?
Talk about the ag. The ag not spend no money and she make the money and she not spend no money. Talk about the ag. Talk about the ag.
Yes, ma'am.
Talk about the ag. Say the ag, you not have to call the name, but say the ag to buy good clothes. Because she make the money, I don't know where she get them clothes from.
Good morning, sweet.
Look at makeup, you go up and boat ride the face dryer.
The girl no look good. The girl no look good. The girl no look good.
Sir.
The wig is thin. She need like 10 tracks in it. You know, fluffy. She don't look like a boat ride look. But no, Brina, girl can't wear clothes. What you mean, Brina? Girl can't wear clothes out here. Race different for true, yeah.
Ag, Miss J.A., the Ag one wear some good clothes. The Ag not ready.
No ready. Diamond look
Morning,
nice.
everybody, morning.
Look how Diamond look nice, galley.
Me not tell a lie, Mr. Diamond, I want red something. Mr. Diamond look good.
Yes.
Good
Good morning, bro.
Let's see what
Me bring a go. We are talk about the girl them in their 30s. Me bring a go.
Exactly, we cuss them out. We let them go. Let me go them in them 40s and 50s.
No make it 50 and 60-year-old a beat to no
I like ya tell
Yes.
Kirk, I like ya tell me go cuss Kirk there one day. I like ya tell Kirk, I'm a then I'm a 30, I'm look good, no blood clot, man I ask Christ, I'm smell good.
That is true. That is true.
Oh, you mean, my sister? Oh, you mean, my sister?
Man I ask Christ. So talk about the Ag, we're 33 and don't look good.
And
that's every talk about.
In 30s and then 20s.
Girl need a shower.
Jesus Christ.
Can't win. Girl want
fix up themselves, Brina, man.
The girl them in their 30s not look good. Them not look good. Them not look good.
Oh,
Them in their 30s.
They look good. I just the Ag.
A lie. No for one not look good. No for one in the 30s. And I just say
I agree with you.
Where you
agree? Alone. And not just the hag alone. Enough of them young girls out there. They not put themselves together.
I know. But I'll be all of crowd.
If this was my sister, me da be upset too. If this was my sister, me da hate her for sure. Good morning, Yardy. If this was my sister, me da hate her. If this was my sister, me da hate her. Yeah. If this was my sister, you're mad. If this was my sister, me I hate her. What you mean?
Look at yourself and nice. Look at your sister. Look at your sister good. And look at yourself. And I said, Jesus Christ.
Girl look good. Sister look good.
No,
me not hate the sister too.
Sure.
You know, see her. Look how she look good. Look at sister. Hey, look here.
Rose Club, her sister got bought right. You know, Rose want her sister on Akeem.
Hey, what's galley? What's galley? What's ya?
What's galley?
Galley battle do good. We smart. Yes, galley. Turn around and see battle galley. Look at it. Look at it. Yes, I know sister bread. What's ya? Yes.
This is the reason why they have guitar for true, you know.
Let me look good, man.
Yeah, these are the reasons why they have guitar.
Yeah, it's bit so green, but yeah.
Face,
look good.
Shape, good.
I'm not against
Focus.
Alright, my people, so for all who don't know, other female named Miss J.A. You see me I say? And me always see she come for Rosalie. You know what I mean? And to me, if from the outward appearance, if you look on that woman, you say, yo, that woman you look like a nice, respectable, you know what I mean, woman or whatever. Me don't know her, you see me, if she and Rosalie, what them in her, why she always bring down Rosalie. But it look like say, everybody want part of the pasa or piece of the pasa. You know what I mean? So, them find somebody to talk bad about, and Rosalie I want easy target. You see me? Whatever Rosalie have on what last night to the boat ride whatever. You see me I say that's how she feel comfortable in and what she like. You understand? She not have to try to do what the rest of woman them do. Cause you can't go compare Diamond and Rosalie. You could never compare a fat woman and a slim woman. When it come to dressing or something, the slim one I go always have the advantage because them have a lot of variety of clothes and you know what I mean can set themselves, but the fat woman only have a few choices certain way. You know what I mean? Rosalie, she have a people wanna just let me know one thing because boy I look like everybody like Rosalie. You know what I mean? Rosalie have her way still, but come on. So much people want somebody. Let me know what you think. Make watch some more. You know what? We are going to move on to the next.
Impress. Talking true now. Who your blood clot try to impress, Vanny?
That's you, bitch. Look at you.
Who the fuck you call me name for, bitch? You look like
That's you, bitch.
Vanny, you
I mean, when Yankee call in here, you don't have a problem.
You have an Amazon baby.
TikTok,
Vanny, you need to go buy your Amazon pussy.
It's not a
You
problem.
have an Amazon.
Why
You
when
need to go buy your Amazon pussy, bitch.
problem?
You need to go
Why you ask them
You
for
want
the
to
name?
send
Then
the
I look
link?
on them.
Do you want the motherfucking link? Talk it truth now. You're going
Which
to get
link?
blood clot, smarty, stinking, dirty blood clot, girl.
What kind of link?
Shit up, pussy, dirty girl, where man fuck. You be a body man, you're fucking a girl. Why you blood clot? Why you stop your mother? Stop your mother. Wanna see problem? No man, Father God see and know. God, why me come out on the app here? Me no come out yesterday because me no want caught up in this, you know. I did not come out yesterday. Because why me stay there? So what me by don't jump? Why? Why me not supposed to jump? Why me stay there so far? Talk it truth now. Let me easy on yourself, man. I don't love your bag of foolishness too much. You understand? The thing is me not in an argument with the girl. A lot of uno not look on it. Me no mess around Vanny if Vanny come and do this. Me and Vanny not have no argument. Me and Vanny text inbox. We talk about this. Even when time we talk about my daughter, picture, me and Vanny talk about this. You get me? So me don't know how this could tormented bitch. Keep on come up and I come up with certain problem because she a look views. Like seriously. You understand what I say? If me look like hard life, oh it is a problem to Vanny. Vanny is somebody will sell out to whole or whole. You understand me? All when time the coochie ugly. For your pretty coochie now gone away. I shut down the whole place with dirty infection where you have up in your home. So instead you keep on take a set for me, you need to go visit the blood clot doctor. Me can tell you this, no man past social media never come out and say me and give them infection. Check your ratio. For all of the man them will come out come chat. Look if any one of the man them come out and say Annie shot them. Annie shot them. Annie ever give them any STD? No! Annie never give no man no STD, girl. And young girl like you will shoot down the whole of the blood clot place, girl. And who you? You come go like you're better than no girl you up on social media. Eh? Talk you God almighty truth. Eh? No man pan this can't come talk to me give them blood clot infection. Know that. What the fuck you talk about? Brother, I don't love too much blood clot problem, and that's with Uno. Uno love one bag of problem and one bag of excitement. You understand? Because me and Vanny not in a nothing. For me and Vanny they are circus. Like no joke. Brother, don't stay far from me, yeah? Uno stay far from me. I beg Uno that. In a Jesus name, me I beg you, because I come like you're a tormented bitch. Me don't know if you try to impress Shay. Me don't know if Shay you try to impress. You understand me? I say you put on a big blood clot show for you and blood clot Shay. Vanny, leave me alone, girl. Me no business if Shay want chat me. Me no business if Shay want chat me. No girl when you have crutches can't chat me. No stink mouth girl can't chat me. Shay where about smell like a back road. Can't in and no blood clot chattings with me. Me no want no talking with Uno. Uno too much. Every day the same thing. And if you never come and talk about people like the cuss on social media. Vanny come like say Vanny And yo, them put out the one of the man picture and everything. Everybody see everything. And the new man, me no care if a Valentine's term, kiss me ass and come off of this. So every man me go out with. So anybody me go out with, me there with. If me have dinner with somebody, me there with. If me go around one man, if me pass one man, me there with him. If me say hi, me there with a man. You get what me I say? Me can't walk too close. Me can't walk too close to no man. Because I there, me there with them. Jagga do it, your son, blame him. But at the time when me there at the dinner, you know that me tell Jagga said, do not video me. Me even didn't know said Jagga did not go do it. But look, alright, but look on the whole circumstance. Him say put it on him WhatsApp. Somebody take it down and find WhatsApp and post it on social media. You get me? But you're gonna say blame Jagga. Why me can't live my life? So me to live my life to please people. So see the people out there, me not go around nobody. Me not go have dinner. Me not enjoy my life. So anybody me come round, me there with them. Well, give me the world a blood clot, man. Then pack them up blood clot, give me. Pack them up, give me. You want one suitcase? Eh? You want a barrel? Pack up the whole of the blood clot, man. Them give me. Once no girl not inite me, alright. Once no girl not inite me, alright. Give me the world a blood clot, man. And that me I tell you. Oh, fuck you not chat about then. When I feel like me I gonna live my life, me I gonna be skeptic for no, me I gonna be unhappy for no. Eh? Okay, you not turn up and wait. You not cock up and wait, no? I'm me name Annie. I'm me say man. I'm me say take man. I'm me say love man. I'm me say eternal Father bless the man. Guide us with them cocky long. So anything you say that me depend. Fucking bright. Give me something for wipe my face. What you say, baby? Let them go and look here. Let them go and do what them a do. Let them do what I have to do. I have to be important. I have to be important for them take a set for me, so. And when me know they panic up, them keep on a text me, I beg me to come out. And when me do come out, them want to take a set for me. So make them continue do what them have to do. That is so sad. Honestly. Hold that for me, baby. Girl, you're... I have to be. Turn off the A.
Alright, my people. Let me know in the comment section, right? If Annie need to just chill when it come to like man and them something there. Because you are going, my people. She just come out of a relationship with the Yankee. And although it's been a while still, you know what I mean? Couple weeks, maybe a month. You see me, and she back with somebody else. So nothing wrong with that. I don't see nothing really wrong with that still, but to how much time something like this at more she a date a man and then them left and by the next week or so, or she that and the next man. You know what I mean? It make you look a certain type of way. You understand? But everybody want companionship. Everybody want have sex. You see me I say? But Annie, he look how we still. Which way you know supposed to look now we still in my people. You know what I mean? Because that natural and normal. Because every woman, everybody needs somebody. You understand? And we can't fight her down for wanting companionship. You see it? So let me know what you think in the comment section, my people. And make you watch some more.
Why want to keep on saying if I turn off the AI? I want to say the AI protect the page. Turn yeah, but when I say it what you call it, so you not protect the page. That's why you're getting. You know what, me I come off of this. Me I come off. I rather come back later when the eat done. Nowadays me realize that me not have to sit down up here and kill up myself. You understand me I said by TikTok. I'm not saying anything bad or me not said nothing wrong out of my mouth. Me not disrespect nobody, me not talk no out of other words. Me sit down comfortable me. Hold on.
Money. You see, AI, it helps generate your language and everything. So like how America own this app now, them understand every part because the AI like put it in a decent language where them understand. So them, you know, put every word together. You say all the bad word them and they come together and it just ban you. That's why when the guy them go on live and have sex and the AI come on, it just ban them completely.
Oh, so once they put on the AI.
Yes, it help understand everything where you say and everything there. So when you have cuss, nobody put it on, but when you just reach with the people, then you put it on.
Alright then, sweetheart, thank you.
Yeah, later.
Alright, babe. Hi, baby, what's up? Pick my, me not gonna use nothing at all. God no, make it stay. This is so, it too contrary. It too freaking contrary. No problem. I mean, I don't want nobody ask me about no clinic. Keep it calm. I don't want nobody ask me about no clinic, not ask me about no doctor, not ask me about no baby. Please, me beg you know. Honestly, this year, you know, oh God, man. Me just don't want to see peace or more while we can smile and just be happy. Bro, me don't want nobody ask me about nothing. Stop the cussing. Me not cuss nobody.
You understand me? What the hell you tear down other woman for? What the hell you keep on a tear down people when not trouble you? Talking God Almighty truth. Eh? No man don't know if talk it truth, man. Them girl are too wicked. Who don't want talk it truth, them girl are on social media terrorize people. Who don't need to speak the truth because it's too much. And not for the time people they on the app and them not trouble them. Them not trouble them none tall. And them have for them business out there rotten. For them business out there rotten down. So why Vanny not go take care of her own business? The time where Vanny take and I take a set pan people. Vanny can go order a Amazon pum pum. Vanny can go order Amazon pum pum. If I the link she want, me can send her the link. Vanny can take it time out and go a doctor go clean up her stink hole. Vanny can take it time out go get rid of the infection where the man them a run from. Nice and cute girl like Vanny. Look on the man there where she take up. Every man take a exit. Every man get shot. Every man have a guard doctor go clear it up. Them have to wear bulletproof vests. Talk it truth now. Nice and beautiful young girl like you. Tell me the truth. I must be your all a bite you this morning. It have to be your all a bite you this morning. For you come take a set for me. Your all torment. So you keep on a come take a set for me? Girl, wrong stop. Go to the doctor. That me have to tell you. What me win that for me? Yeah, mama block you. I don't want care who no support. I don't care. That is not my business. A lot of you guys don't support me and that is okay. Me not run down no supporters and me not run down no friend. You get what me I say? Yeah, know that. I want to know. You walk like no found better. You come over here, start skin off your teeth. If I 10 people me ever support me, I go with my 10 people them where support me. You understand what me I say? Me see myself, me come off of media from what day, me sit down and me relax. Me not take no set for nobody. You understand me? I mean not go up and I need no more bullying from none of them. Try know that. Oh, so any power where them feel like say them have power now and them feel big on the internet for come feel like they want tear down people. I know this that woman here. That me I tell you. I want to you. Try beg on the some taps. Me not take no request, mama. Thank you, baby. Guys, we can get some daily art me, please. Please, may I ask you. We can get some daily art me. Oh, B, thank you, baby. B, thank you. Not too.
Hey, my people. You see, Annie have to always depend on the defense in our people, you know what I mean? Always have to defend herself because them come for her every single day. It's like say yo, she an easy target and the people them because them know that them take advantage of the situation because she a go cuss back, you know what I mean? Whatever them say about her. And then she pan a level, you know, nah make it no better for herself because she still a do all the different type of things them what people are gonna have an issue with. Although she her own big woman, you know what I mean? She have our youth them, and it don't seems like our youth them have a problem with what she had do. You know what I mean? And some of the time I wonder if the things them what she do, if she do it, she get our followers them and get gift and you know go viral and them something there and if stay relevant, or naturally she just love man and them something there. You know what I mean? Although that natural for a woman love man still. You know what I mean? And we don't see she have 2, 3 man a juggle at the same time or one at a time. So we not supposed to have a problem with that still, you know, my people, because if the man them don't mess up, she now go move to the next man. So you know what I mean? Come to think of it, my people, she now do nothing wrong, you know. It just looks certain type of weird to some people, say yo one after the other, but I know she a mess up and the man them a mess up and she a try to find love. You know what I mean? So let me know what to think.
Too much man. I see him me say I went Saturday night me end up go out. A long time me no go out, a long time me no touch road. You get what me I say, me in my house, me down more while. I 1 and 2 of my ladies them reach out to me and talk to me. Yana, don't let them bully you. It not gonna happen, stop. Stop, me promise you it not gonna happen. You get me? Saturday night stop, me go out. You gonna tell me say me don't have a life? You are gonna tell me say me can't live my life because of social media? Huh? Saturday night me go out and me go have dinner. You understand me? My friend, by the way, a family. This is a family member. You get me? And the person come look for me. A whole heap of time when you see me post daily on my page. If you go up on YouTube, you guys can see daily. Even when time in Valentine's time, thank you. Valentine's time, Deli was here. I'm a video daily on YouTube. Me video daily on YouTube when Deli can give we look a gift and whatever. And he can look for my kids them. You get me? And the whole we go out Saturday go have dinner. Right? Me tell them say no video me, you know. And then video me. And then post it. You remember? Okay, I remember. Go on the page and you see Valentine's time and you see Deli. That's a family friend.
We can't wait for the day when Varney take him.
People change, you know, Jenny. You never know.
What?
People can change.
You wanna know? Allah, you tell me, you might say switch up. You see, I will see it on the evidence. You understand? But sit down still with no friend not Jabas. You see it? Like you fuck off with our friend.
Hey boy. Why big I'm in a life, me so you turn the tongue in your mouth? It's sexy or fuck.
Jabas, you know, baby mother.
Yeah, but me like so elderly them twirl and tongue in their mouth. They look good.
And that's what they like to.
Oh.
Huh?
Oh. Oh, yeah. 911.
Let me ask you something. What we are doing yesterday? What we are doing yesterday now? What we are talking about?
That's why they don't play one match now.
Yeah, man.
Let me see.
Yeah, man.
That's why they don't play one match.
Okay, if you don't find nobody else, I'll call 911.
All right, listen. None of disrespect her. None of no. And if don't move, me talk to them already. But
no, we're not.
Why you have to talk to them? Never see them.
No. If you know one day, you may understand.
Me and Annie make peace street one day. Nobody know this Annie.
Jayden go suck your mother and move for you so pussy.
Bling, I know him, I do. Bling, I know exactly what she do.
No, I don't know. Annie don't eat Jayden.
If Jayden start puff back now.
Yes,
no, Annie don't eat. Let me tell you something, Jabaz.
Annie wind around the door.
Annie don't eat Jayden.
But no, man. Listen, you know.
Annie really love Jayden. And Jayden always a fuck with the lady. Jayden, remember you do so holy for like, never shut up your big blood clot about and use a set on. She not do this because me stand with her right now. Me stand with her. Wait now.
You wanna start with her, darling?
Javas, you know, say Annie genuinely like you know, or did like you know?
Not did, she still love us.
Exactly, but she not like not do her, especially Jade.
No, Mr. Me not this sir.
She really like you, Jaden, or did like you.
But that not nothing to do with me. I try to tell you, bro. So me I say something. I say some things, bro. Me mind and me that over there, so bro. Me I say some things, but I'm shocked, bro. Most of me like him and she know and that's why she block me off everything, bro. She never block me off of TikTok, bro.
You better talk on the phone.
WhatsApp, bro. No.
You better talk on the phone, Jabas.
No man, good man. You know, gonna be the main topic. I don't really care, bro. Many people are reason, bro. I don't want to be a main topic like that. But as I said, everybody run joke. You run a joke to say, yo, the people that shoot for the white man work up, and me run back and look up joke and say, yo, fuck work up, right no more, I give them. So I thought nothing bad, man. I tell nothing that. I tell the people them say, anyway the clothes that show that more little. Come on, all Jayden know that feeling still, you know. If you know say, he might add me, I add him. He like, yes, I'm a pussy. You understand me? He like, yes, I'm a pussy. Even if I add Jayden, it's still.
Yes, sir.
Me say, if you add me, still I never accept you. You like, yes, I'm a pussy, you know. When I me call you, bro, you add me, bro. You know, fam. You get me? I said that. So suppose me never add it, bro. I say me a pussy, brother. Me a pick side bad man. Me a add you, bro. I the same thing, the bad man.
LD, no go near out to my boy. You chat too much, boy.
You look and she, no. Me that look and she. You should have got behind me. Come here, look and she. We should put on my glasses.
Friend check. Right, me I tell you, Thomas, boy, me I tell you, look at World Cup, then I look at them, World Cup, don't know how long and he's still over there, catch up on blood clot, like it, ras clot, Barney.
This man, let me see Vani, I cost Annie. I mean, you nobody I say, don't know like God, don't nobody I cry, I be laughing me I hear. This Vani, so we don't know what happened yesterday, make if it done. And then this morning, me and Vani, I pick pan Annie, and I bring up back one bag of fuckery. I mean, nobody has said done.
So when the pressure too hard, when we put on pressure, them are going to talk about them.
I told him just yo, brother, you gotta honestly Vani, I go yesterday, brother. Vani love you looking for fuckery.
I cloud share right now, no make Vani over there now. Tell me, I tell you, she that.
My people, let me know what you think in the comment section, because here we go on. Zine, you see, anytime you hear Ivany talk about what other people do on TikTok and them finna do it and this and that and me really laugh still, you know, my people, because Ivany are one of the biggest troublemaker on TikTok, on social media. So when me hear she and the Lion Man kick off yesterday, and she has said this and that to the Lion Man, and I say, yo, the youth are play. You know what I mean? Me I say, this is not Ivany saying all of these things, because she and the Lion Man, them are the same thing. You see what I say? So, let me know what you think, make watch some more, my people.
Start here. No, we can know you.
Well, you know, what I say, what I can't team, bro. But like when time so goes brother and so people talk so things, bro. It kinda me not like it, you know, yesterday when me do, bro, everybody else would have do Batman. Johnny live they make you add me accept, bro. I regularly all we do Batman. You know what I say, bro? So me not see me not think me should get no blame if I say, yo, me not like Jayden and Jayden must be blind. This is me not like you feel what you add you. So that's something I like because if you add you. What am I telling you?
Rabas. Call and talk about that, man, but make your people know so you see that you have to do that in the dark first. Yo, do your thing, bro.
Look at you, hear me? You know easy, you. You know easy, bro.
Then I must man, do your thing, dog. I'm saying, brother.
No, sorry, there, man.
No call. You that girl like Ricky Shaw. Okay, you know what?
You don't come like Batman run too much.
You them corrupt people about no call her thinking dirty girl.
No, me I say if you don't come live, Batman. Anna, thank you. You don't come live run too much, man. You chat to follow Anna there. We say the galaxy. You JAYDEN?
Yeah, man, me so far live, man.
You know, come on, brother. You never come on, you come on, you know. I got me realize when I do for the other day.
Well, we are talking about, brother.
Yo, one time you got you see you go linga. Has begun, you see you come on. What job has gone on that style? Top of style in my youth.
Brother, stop going some people are playing mind game for you, my youth. Stop them things there, brother.
Right, you know that me there, I see a show, I say, what going on, come on, I say, I'm a father, I make me jump on. Jump on.
You never call one night, you never come on.
No, because I see full.
What fool?
Say full before we the full, man, someone say, no make no sense, bro.
Bad man, I call you and I jump me and go jump with them.
Oh, me never know, because baby, me come on, you would reach very rich.
You would reach very rich, man, yo.
They say me, I watch your screen record the last time, but I laugh, bad man.
Tell the mother, boy.
I wait, your peers get banned.
Yeah, until the fifth dog.
I really bomb client to do something. So, I just want to go live pan.
Yeah.
So come live pan, you come build up in a chat, don't follow page.
No, man, just cool, man. It's good, brother. It's good dog, you see it. It's good. More come live on the page, though.
You like go on like, you like bomb up. Come on, fire Janko, come on. You love go build blood clot, go on like. Dead dog, you love go on like. You love go on. So, Custom man. My youth, listen to my youth. You hear me, bro? Elena, we have bumbo clock on my youth. I'm to you, bro. Yeah, man. Remember that clothes for your float, bad man. No bad feelings and hard feelings, bro. And the whole of we, bro, as TikTokers, my youth. Oh, we see we fellow brothers and fellow sisters at home, piece of cloth, bro. Nobody carry them down, bro. When they do them thing, bro. Even if you don't with it, even if you don't like it, bro, man, that's when they do them thing, my youth. Savage, big up chat. They gonna also money gonna chat. Anybody see any money gonna follow them, bro. You see me, I say, bro, can I watch you pre now, dog? You all have it, bro. We all have it over your bad, man. You don't know what thing go, brother, man. You don't know, brother. There's a thief and I have a thief in land back still, but I understand that, isn't it? But I know me hate JAYDEN why me at JAYDEN yesterday, chat. It's just that, say, me and you know, I say me a year walk one from Vani, and then I say JAYDEN, I say add him in a box, and me a go like me could add him in a box, and then I see man go so boom now, I turn on in live, and I say me request, so I accept him, I say add him in a box from when I'm in a box, so I tell him, so I can add him, and I could have really accept him. You see me, I say, but I mean, I didn't mean this so far, them the time there. You see me, I make a thing go and roll. You understand me? Yeah. So I never really say, oh, say that. You see me? Yeah, bro. God know you. You see me? You see me? So, yeah. But that's the thing, bro. You know, say them are going to go argument and then they go fix and then they go good, bro. Now if you understand, bro. So TikTok thing go, bro. That's how much I tell them, bro. But moving forward from the chat, anybody in the comment section and anything you want to comment or anything you want to say about anybody or cuss anybody, anything you want to say about JAYDEN and bring him and class him, you can bring him down. Anything you want to say about anybody else of that sort, you can say it in the comment section. I talk black people in the comment section with people, I know. Because you see when time, any little thing, in the comment section, all them bring and go on the most, you know. And you know, like I mean, I say, yo, moderator them are fix up, you know. So me talk big, you know. So moderator don't want to block nobody over here. I don't want to block nobody. Me then talk when they want to talk, say class who they want class and bring down who they want bring down. You understand me? Yes. Leave them and then stay. Yeah, man. They say a thing there. Yeah, fair enough. I like chatting. That's fair, right? That's fair, right? anytime I'm gonna see me add me, I might. I mean, you shoot for me, man. God, who you shoot for, brother? On top of add me, most time my blood clot, you know. I don't know shoot for brother. I don't shoot for me to go up on live and add me, brother. I don't know sin no kind, bro. Bumbo clot to add me for. When I play no nothing, man. Go add who not shoot for, bro. When I say me nothing. When I have no people that want to sell no kind daily, and when them hand no can't send them request, but they not posting. But don't send me nothing and go say, so. Go on now, go my youth. Damn me, I tell you. KC, what about KC? You can't be just sitting my ass up with your broke bad man. As a quick you broke. As a quick you broke. Chat, I'm showing you something. No, I want the video there, so. Watch your chat. Top banks, the body sign up. April 5, you know. Waves. Top banks over here, so. Waves. This year. Waves. Black River. You understand me? Yeah, man. Mad sitting, man. This Easter Sunday. So, I don't know anything, though. Yeah, St. Elizabeth. You see, pray. Yeah. You think you take boy if you get boop on him a big old show them? You think you take boy if you get boop on him big old rash show them? You know, say boy. You see me? That's how you say buying ticket. Big up. I'm sure you don't buy no ticket, bro.
Hello, when you're done with that, you're gonna do flooring.
No, take your hand off our exit button.
What do you mean? No.
The people, Nana said to jump anytime cause she knows say with this lion man I'm unpredictable and no telling what he might do. You see me I say, but my people, you know say, I'm proud of Candy still. If you see where she a come from, you know what I mean, and where she reach, know that me see Nana, you know what I mean. But here I go on my people with Candy, you know. Candy have to go put together a few freestyle. You see me I say? She have to go put together a few freestyle. You see like how when Spice got a stage show, Spice we build a freestyle for that particular stage show. She needs some of that in her artillery scene, and she need can, you know what I mean, just take control of the crowd. That she need crowd control, because here I go on. She use her song to kind of hold the crowd, because she have her song them where girl them love, you know. You see me? But me see this happen 2 times on stage show where she did. Like the selector can't find the next track or something, and it kind of put a pause in her thing, and she not have nothing to do or say. She said a couple things, you know what I mean, selector run me track this and that. You can't say yo selector this that they are blame the selector. Just say find the track selector and you go on freestyle and you go on chat to the girl them. You know what I mean? She have to do that. You know what I mean? But it's a learning process for her still. She fairly new in the business and she a go on with herself. Make me know what to think about her, my people, and her progress in the music business. Make her watch some more of this.
Exit button. There's a hand for the exit button, man. Take your hand for the exit button, bro.
Anyway, Ziggy, you good doing, my friend?
Yeah, man, the best life.
Okay. Alright, so when I see with the pink glasses, I'm going to ask you where they.
Oh. No.
Over here. Jayden, Mom, Jayden.
Take your hand for the exit button.
See me on them, man. Ziggy, you kiss. Ziggy, man, I kiss off for you.
No, man, Ziggy, I be woman, so I'm going to look him. I say, I look that slim as that.
Go stop your mother. Hey, boy, Jayden. Yo, circle with that. Circle with that.
Ziggy, I want to Ziggy, stop most of the dog.
Circle with the circle.
Why am I some man I'm a rater, dog? Yo, see man just
You don't rate me, dog. You can't rate me, brother.
Why am I a rater? Why am I a rater, Ziggy? Ziggy, I'm a rater, dog. I can't even know you.
You don't rate me, dog. You don't try to look down for me, dog. I'm for this, you.
But man, you're taller than me, so how me feel look down for you, Ziggy? You're taller than me, dog.
Bro, man, oh, you're trying to tell while you're so cool, you're lick up party, man. Fuck you. Fuck party, everything, man, I know.
Watch out, yo.
I'm just brush.
Yo, see man, just cool, man.
Dirty matty, man. Everybody must see a suckle from lime like this, you know.
Yo, just cool, not be arms, Ziggy.
That dirty matty, man, yeah.
Girl, you can't get me at me.
Taffy, big up a bumbo class self, Taffy. I want to
Yo, that kitty attack about the same germs and lifestyle we have.
You gonna lick out our mama.
Kitty says she sure see you fuck out. No mileage, let it buy you, rub out.
Kitty gonna lick out our mama.
Kitty says she sure. Where your friend?
Tell Kitty gonna lick out our mama.
Jayden, you forgot have little manners, you hear?
Sorry.
Jay, you're a friend.
Huh?
You're a friend.
Yeah, me and your friend, of course, always.
So me I call my friend now come.
Am I your friend or not your friend? I don't know. Let me see.
Yeah, either, man. You do the girl something, move your blood clot.
I'm not doing nothing, brother. I just don't like you.
I can't find
I don't like who?
I told me can't find
I didn't even baby.
Then me could have found one brush required Jayden.
Anybody,
You want to say me lip clean?
My youth, no, you want this me, you see on the tongue. You saw on the tongue. You say something to me. You say something about brush to me. I mean, I say back something. I know you want to fix. You don't understand.
Anything, the action you did an action. I don't like that action. I never said anything.
You're too unfair, man.
Unfair. Now
She can't talk about brush, and then me come so.
What that mean?
What brush mean? So you just Nika big up a damn self. You saw woman name Thunder, the woman name you see woman name dog, the woman name different in a youth, the woman name like them say something. We not back soon, so rather use my mouth.
But Jayden, remember say I never really mean it, you know. People them on TikTok say.
And you say to me, yes so me I talk about. You say to me.
You know, so me used to rate you. Me rate you, you know, until they tell me to go suck my mother. So nothing at all.
Well,
that's why me just...
No, I saw you go, cause boy, if I did so, probably not drop down already.
Why you did tell me to suck my mother?
Why did you tell her?
Yeah.
No, me never just tell her if you do that, man. Me never just tell her. Me never just. I have a reason why.
You just text me and tell me why you doing it.
Because I want to tell me I can't do that because they're going to take your pain. So you just get it too.
No. Before that.
Lie you tell. When I tell me I can't do that because it take your pain like you all candy would when you have pee-pee. You see? So you just get it. You just get it too.
Later. Big up.
Listen to that.
Can do.
Later.
Man and sister.
Later.
Let me know.
Don't put me boy.
Barbzchannel body. They can't keep up. You know. Jayden, you know I love me make you tell me mama then I'm inbox, you know.
But you know me like you go just go on some type of way. Me not understand. You so.
Me nervous when me see you. Me say me nearly catch heart attack. Me say.
Me nearly catch heart attack. So, but Ziggy, oh yeah, man a fever so. Bella.
Who you talking to? Arguing since yesterday, son. You ain't tired? Did you bathe yet? Did you bathe yet?
I still had my dead cousin.
Did you bathe yet?
People wanna tell me what they think in the comment section, and everybody and their mother knows the lion man no love beard, so chances are him no shower yet. You see me I say cause him can't beard off the creamy people. And yo, people, you see when they come to like all bleaching and them something there, me I wonder how them people are so disciplined and continue put on cream every day and bathe and why them do it? You see me, I say, yo, me could do that at blouse and skirt. Me could keep up with that. Remember me tell you, me couldn't keep up with it. You have people who have bleached for years on top of years and them so loyal and what I call it, you know, them so what I call it when you stick to something, them so religious with it. You see me, I say, where them no miss out on them bleaching and them something there. Yo, that hamper your life too, you know, my people. A bleaching thing, you know.
You ain't shower yet?
But
see, you bothering people that showered and ate already. Cause she looked like she showered and she ate and did her hair and everything. You know what I'm saying?
Alright, darling.
Look like if man look her, then she would get a man.
No, you do, but alright, that's enough.
Who is this Svck H00D? Suck out your mother and come out from a blood clot bitch, drunk girl. Fuck pussy. Come out from a blood clot bitch.
So Bella, want me to have man, Bella?
I have a husband.
Oh, right, sorry, we're in the...
I have a husband.
Very nice. Alright, I'm very sorry, Bella, I'm very sorry. I just...
You still to behave yourself with me today?
No, I didn't feel like so, no, brother and sister, you see, so, you know?
About you, because I don't never see you around no family. You're not nobody.
True. And I tell, Bella, I tell.
That?
But it's one favor though, if I'm a family, just check it out. Blood and blood, you see it. Look on one another.
You know, say, God in his eye, every know, say, me can't do no better but laugh after you. You know, say, you can't help yourself.
Me?
You favor me? You full of buzz?
Me full of buzz? Me send me the pan algorithm to blood clad.
Lifestyle.
Algorithm with Ziggy, I don't know.
Jayden, not tell lie. You look a bit batty, man.
But me don't really look like Ziggy than to look like Jayden. Me don't want to look malnourished.
Well,
like a bitch.
Well, sit down there. Looks and acting a different thing, yeah?
Me don't want to look malnourished.
So, Nana, see you look better than me?
You blind? Call me chocolate. You blind?
Oh my God. Hey.
Oh, you see? You blind, Jayden?
Come here, you hear me? You not hear me? Alright. You want me to tell you the truth? Ziggy now look. Jayden. Ziggy. Me and your friend. Me tell her stop. Yes, I get to rat. Egg me down. Push the wall. Yes, I egg me down. Yes, I get to rat. Wait,
Mr. Government. Get rid of them.
Me tell him step in.
Get rid of them.
Beard Ziggy. Beard and stop wearing marine of them and put on good clothes and nice clothes. Him not do none of that.
Jayden.
You can't come over here.
Big bottom lip, big your bum buckler.
Jayden.
You have to tell the truth.
One question. Don't mix me.
You have to tell the truth and you bring it up.
You know, Ziggy there with Barbie or him look clean and presentable. And you see him look like somebody picnic.
Lord dog, you know me nerve, but
you have a nerve to tell me say him don't like that, him don't like this look. Him may not like look clean. That's what you go so.
Ziggy look clean.
And that me sure say you don't need
Ziggy look clean. Allah ya tell, but Ziggy look clean.
Then Ziggy look cleaner than you right now. What you talking about?
Jayden, why park your mouth? Jayden, why park your mouth?
So I look for a man lip. You want to kiss me then?
Hey boy, Jayden, kiss me then.
So why you want to look for a lip for?
I prefer fuck you more. I look for a lip.
I know some rap. Yo,
right here. Can you love man?
Yo, stop saying them things that I remember blush on them.
Yeah, you see? It's got to be.
No, me I left over here.
fire too. Mr. Andrew Holiness, get rid of them. How is Ziggy gone? Where's Ziggy gone? How is Ziggy gone?
No, where's Ziggy gone? No, where's Ziggy gone?
Yo, I'm not Ziggy. Where the fuck Ziggy run, guy?
Who about Ziggy?
Where the fuck Ziggy run, guy?
Miss Blair.
Miss Blinger should have favor Diamond.
You know, so that boy, hey boy, look how Diamond favor dog and look for my wife. Yo,
Oh, no, don't do that. Say that.
No.
Tell him better not to. Dino.
that's why Jayden won't come out of Miss Blinger, sorry. That's why Jayden trouble.
I love that color, son. You.
Oh, thank you. It's my birthday.
Awesome. It's today?
Saturday.
Okay.
Jayden.
Yeah?
Saturday's my birthday. I need you to come send me a money gun.
Alright, no problem, Miss Blinger, no problem. Because what did you say defend me now, you see? I deserve it.
I want to talk to you differently to Jayden about something. But you never did that here.
Talk to him too about something too.
I want to talk to you differently. When you have time, you come. I want to talk to you. Just 2 minutes, I want out of your time to tell you something.
No, Bella, go jump now.
What? Me just say.
Bella, follow me, Bella.
Me follow you a long time.
Me just follow you back, you see.
Alright, Bella, congratulations.
Thank you, baby. God bless
I have
you.
to speak about Bella. She just recently got married, you know. Bella soon come with the cake mix up. Come back.
So Bella, when I bring him on a foreign?
Yes, she married now.
Bella, when I bring him on a foreign?
Me never married him for carry go foreign like how they married you for carry go to Canada, you know.
No, but he never married. Oh, that's a lawyer, I'm Canada argument.
Goodbye. Go and talk to Bling and leave me alone. Yeah.
Jump Bella.
Let me jump. Bling and later here.
Okay, so not to start back up anything. Listen to I didn't know if you were hearing this part. What Vani was saying. You remember the time with this little incident there where you did a talk and your mouth did get in a trouble that time about the something. That little incident there. So at that time they know. Remember, so whenever did I bring it over here, so but we review. Remember when me I review case and I do quotes and I this. So she has said 25,000 people did that.
Alright, my people, so when it comes to loyalty still, you can't expect that from the Lion Man, you cannot expect that from Ivan. You see me? To an extent still, because there have been people them loyal to and Ray. But the reason why I say that, some people them must change like the weather. And for this year, if that give them some clout, then just this year and whatever happen. You see me I say? So make me know what to think I make watch some more, my people.
And when everybody over me I bring you down, she was the only one who came out and defended you. So me the one that said you didn't hear that part. So that's what she not tried. So one time she has said to you, that she not have no, she not hate you, and she checked for you, and I did really.
Listen me. You see with me, all if you defend me 10,000 times, Miss Blinger. It's when they come on to your time of trolling, me I give it.
I get that, but me don't know if I did that hear that the part that what she does say. She does say.
No, me never hear that still, but me just keep my program same way I set it. Cause she get it to so who is Vani. So let's let it, but that don't go already, man. That's it.
Alright then, so make we left that now. So one new today, new week this week, Wagwan.
What do you mean Wagwan? Hey Nikki, beg you something. Tell us something, Miss Blinger. Tell us something. Your birthday I found up, you see, my you focus on your birthday and make sure you get a good match. You see, who you play?
Me I really have a team, but me not look to it like that. Me have supporters, 1 or 2 people. Me want 45 Lion, but me not know how that I go work out.
What? 45 Lion?
Yeah, you have to dream big, you know. You have to dream big, you know. It's like how one day you did dream, say, yo, I have to make it out in a life, you know. I have to come out and you make it out.
Yeah, I'm gonna go big Perry. Yeah, true.
It's dog.
True, you tell Miss Blinger, man. True, you tell. I'm not joking.
Yeah, man.
I make 3 videos already for post, okay. I'm gonna delete them. Because I have 2 daughters. I have big kids. And my pitting them now want me involved in the TikTok saga. So I make look a video here and there, and then one next time when you see me I make the video. But K, you know, come, K, you wanna, K, whatever, come here. When you go done this? When you go stop? You know why your problem, K? You just want the internet to be on your side. Your aim is to win. And that have you fuck up. That you fuck up with. You're distracted by the winnings of the internet now give. And you there before K before 10 and Shana. And the people them now give the winnings where you deserve. You know why I say that? What day went and have the argument and Mish come. And I love Kavi. I love what Kavi angle that. You know why? Because she said she never da come for Kavi. But a Kavi should have come for. So I like how Kavi fix her up. You understand? I wall with it happy. I love that. You see when you come by the life, come to ask a girl, you win already. That wasn't a win or lose situation, sweetheart. That wasn't a win or lose situation. The woman of her pitney, and she talk about all of this, we have Africa her child later. That's a matter. Clock that. And fear pitney a baby, and she have a 16-year-old or a 15-year-old. That's a matter. We're mindful of what we do over here and how it later on affect our kids. So even this one I don't know. My pitney now want to come over here come do it because she have to say, Mommy, the woman them out loud, and I don't want she come look. Yeah, so she don't really want me to come over here come do it, go do them something here. And I respect that. But then say, anything we want to put on TikTok, we're supposed to can speak on it. And that's what I'm doing. You need to stop. You need to stop it. And you're the first girl get born, and you won't be the last. Every girl get born at some point in their life. But you know what hurt the most? You know what hurt the most? While ago me I listen to one screen recorded with you I say, out to your daughter, must say college. Something, I don't want to lie. Something that like our college money you go take out money for the divorce out. You just keep a big divorce party, which I think it was bullshit. I think it was bullshit. And again, you keeping that party, your aim was to win. Hey, listen to me. Me a 40 November gone. You say you're 37. I didn't want to tell you this from the other day. You see, for divorce is no flex at all. For divorce is not a flex. You need to go sit down and self-reflect. Looking at yourself, ask yourself where you keep and I go wrong. You are one of the people them where I make this, where I do the same thing and expect better results. It's just like you get up every day and you walk on the straight road there. And when you walk down there, car lick you, bus lick you, dog bite you, but down there you go same way, you know, you not change up your pattern. The type of man them you take, you not change up your pattern. You take the same type of man them and expect different results. Which me not think it really make no sense, but nobody can tell you what to do. You understand? You're your own big man. You keep the divorce party the other day. Wanted to win. The people them fly out and start make them content. You come out, come cry wolf and say them a trouble you. Which me not think them a trouble you. You keep a divorce party which it don't make no sense, K. You keep a party, fuck this divorce party. Yeah, somebody left, somebody cheat on you and you and them left, stop give them highlight. You're highlighting the situation more than anything. And then when them clap back and it hurts you, you come back and cry wolf. Let it go. Let it go. Sit down and self-reflect. Blame yourself. You have to blame yourself because you knew you had a daughter in college. Or you knew you had a daughter soon go college. Because when you did that with him first, your daughter never start college yet. You knew all of this. So whatever you that spent for him should have saved for your daughter college fund. Now watch you know. You're one of the girls who used to watch enough on TikTok and tell me just say no. The news them what you bring in credible and the things them what you say Rachel, it don't make no sense. Because the things them what you promote, it don't make no sense. You understand? And you knew you had a child who soon start college or go college soon, and you take up the whole of your life savings and invest in a man. Girl, you can't blame the man. Him not owe you no loyalty after what you do. A man them name, man a failure. From where pick me and grow, you always hear your parents say, man a failure. So you can't expect, say, him did I go invest in you. Him did I go invest in you. And him name they go cheat and him name they go do the things then. And I just say you go wrong, but you don't want to take accountability for it. I don't understand why you don't want to take no form of accountability for it. Why you don't want to take no form of accountability? Why? Charge you, mister. Why you don't want to take no accountability? You come now and you show this for people and expect say people are going to take your side. And when people don't take your side, you feel some type of way about it. You can't expect, because I would have never done what you done. I would have never do it. Nah do it. The least a boy I get something from me on Christmas time and his birthday, nah do it. Me say nobody couldn't beat that out of me if me do it. And you come here, you do that, and you come here and you talk about it. And what you expect we to do with that information now? Eat the man, right? And because you not get you not get what you want from the crowd. You not get the crowd to eat the man, you mad. That's why you mad. And then you shade Shana, expect Shana not to answer you. She go answer you because she a woman just like you. And all the things that you promote. Fuck another boy and me been a fuck and that all type of story you been a promote. How can you differentiate yourself from K? What makes you different from Shana?
My people, when it come to K situation, me just feel like say she go just vent until she get over it, yeah, man. Woman talk out them things, man bottle up things. Let me know all the thing.
Shana, what makes you a better person than Shana? Gully Bop? Gully Bop? Makes you a better person than Shana? Let it go. You have to let it go at some point. You have to let it go. You have to respect yourself and let it go. You have to respect your kid and let it go. You not let it go. You say no, you have to go pay how much money for divorce. So who you do have to do the divorce, okay? Who you do have to do the divorce? You say you help him. You say he never want to come a friend and you married him to help him. And you want married. So basically you want married more than him want married. Because you say the relationship did already fall apart. It come like so when you sit down you don't remember what you talk. One thing nobody can take from you is a go-getter. And you will tough up your thing when you're ready. So why you not just let go this boy and go tough up your thing and come back again? Can't take that from you. Come on, K man. Come on. Come on. You have to let this go. You have to let it go. You have to wrap it up. This is not a win and lose game. This is real life. At some point you have to sit down and look into yourself and ask yourself where you go wrong. You can't blame them man here. Because you're doing the same type of man. All of your man them look alike. And you expect different result. Talk about 10 and leave Shana. Because I am a woman and I can tell you I don't see no difference in a year, Shana. And if your friend them not tell you the truth, we would up on the internet where I watch have to tell you the truth. And the one them want hypocrite will come now and side with you and talk about say, yo, Louis girl, whatever, me never do what you do. Never do it. A boy have to love me with $0 in my pocket. Because the boy them wicked out here. They wicked. For we a little bit of girl knows your man are wicked. So you go take up yourself and but that's why it hurts you so much in a K. And I understand. Don't think I don't understand why you're hurting so much, but just, sweetheart, let it go. Let it go.